Wanna take your flooring business to the next level? Then capture more worksite videos. This single video will change your entire flooring business. With extra 30 minutes of this work can bring up to 30% new loyal customers. And I will teach everything in this video. First, we'll talk about some important things. Then I will practically teach you how you can also apply this in your flooring business. So take your seatbelt on and let's start. As a digital entrepreneur, you have to understand the power of digital presence. If you prioritize your digital presence through social media, you will get more trust, customers, and referrals. For that, you have to upload more videos. Try to focus job site videos because we maximum stuck in the four walls. So we try to find other thing in the phone. If you upload your work videos, those grab our attentions. And also, if I need your service, I will definitely trust you because I saw your works, testimonials, and website. Now I trust you. That's why you should supply tons of job site video in your social media. Now you know the importance and you are kind of motivated. But I know in few days your motivation will gone. I know many of you already tried uploading content, but after few days you stop uploading because you overthink about the views. But here you have to understand that views is nothing for you. You are a businessman. The only thing matters for you is your revenue, not views. You don't have to see the views, see the revenue. Enough talk, now let's jump into the practical sections. First, see some of videos of other creators. Look at this video. It's got almost million views. Yeah, I know, I told you. We don't wanna see the views. We wanna know the revenue. But you can guess how much his revenue increased only from this video. And he uploads content regularly. Big shout out to this hardworking flooring entrepreneur Ahmed. By the way, he's from Hello Floors. I want you guys to do the same. And you can do all this work with your phone. You can use CapCut for easy edits. Now I'll make a reels and upload through Business Suite.
So here I'm in my phone in CapCut. So let's add the footage. I just use other person footage. You can use your own footage. Like you have to use your own footage. Okay, so I'm not a floorer, so I'm using another person's footage. So yeah, it is easy. Like I can cut, look, like every option in the bottom, like through cut to speed up. Now I'm slowing down the video a little bit, and I'll take the video like 3 seconds because I guess hook is enough for 3 seconds. Now I'm using another person's installing footage. His next flooring. I'm using his installation footage. So yeah, let's cut it out and delete which part we don't need. Now fix the screen. Okay, so I'm fixing the screen. I guess it's good now. Yeah, it's nice. So now let's add the captions. You can use your caption. I'm just using normal caption, like not sure which flooring. What can I write? Okay, I guess it's good. Not sure which flooring is best for your place. Okay, so now change the design. There is a lots of design. Okay, I like this one. Good. Now change the font. I'll use Sophia Pro. You can use any font you want. And resizing this. Okay, I guess it's perfect. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so now I'll duplicate this. Where is the duplicate? Yeah, here. Okay, so I duplicate the text. You don't have to duplicate, you can use another text. I'm duplicating now. Here is another caption, like book a free call, I guess. Okay, so I guess perfect. Book a free call with us. So here you can up upload your logo, and also if you want your company name. I don't have logo for flooring company, so I just use the text. So this is the real. Not sure which flooring is best for your place? Book a call with us. And you can use your idea. I'm just explaining the edits. Now add a background music. You can use trendy background music. You can use trendy background music. I'm using this for now. Okay. And here, let's add a transition. I think this one is good. Okay. Let's add it. You can explore more. Like there is lots of option in CapCut. Okay, I think it is good. There is lots of option you can explore. You can watch short tutorials, and this is really easy. And it's totally free, CapCut. So now I'm going to export this video and upload it through MetaSource. Okay, so this is the reels. Okay, so now export it. Okay, exporting. Now I'm in the MetaSource. In MetaSource, make sure to connect your Facebook and Insta, link those. And so after connecting your Facebook and Instagram, you will upload in the business suite, and it will automatically upload it in your Facebook and Instagram, both sites. Now let's write a caption here. Confused about your flooring? Book a call from the... Okay, let's make it simple. Book a free call, link in the bio. It's okay, you can use anything. And then this is the important part. You can use some hashtag. Try to use 3 or 4 hashtags. Don't use over 5 or 6, and use related hashtags like flooring installation, flooring home improvement, like that. Okay.
Always remember this quote. Note it down right now. Content is king. So Flooring King, that was the video. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you want to more this type of videos, because I know this video will get low views, because I just want to help the flooring owners. My targeted audience are just you guys, but I'm trying my best to help you guys free and grow your business. So give a like, and also if you want, give a share. And now here is the best value for you. Check the description. You will find the link of our private community group of flooring business owners. So go join the group. And if you want to know something more, book a free one-on-one call with me. Check the booking link below. Take care.